This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken dry fry updated. Pat chicken dry, coat with spices, and cook in a hot pan until crisp and cooked through. Use medium-high heat, avoid overcrowding, and turn pieces for even browning. Finish with a squeeze of lemon and chopped cilantro for brightness. I'll walk you through timing, spice balance, and simple tips to keep meat juicy while achieving a crispy exterior. A good spice mix sets the foundation for a flavorful dry fry, so measure and taste as you go. Mix warm spices like cumin and coriander with a bit of chili, then bind briefly with yogurt or lemon for adhesion. Coat each piece evenly and let rest while the pan heats, allowing flavors to meld without long marination. These small steps build depth and ensure consistent browning and seasoning throughout. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content and recipes. Quick recommendation: Droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, a handy companion when you're cooking or tasting hot food on the go. I find it practical in the kitchen and on hikes, so consider it a friendly tip. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Mastering technique matters more than fancy ingredients, so focus on pan temperature and timing. Heat a heavy skillet, add chicken in a single layer, and resist moving pieces too often so a crust can form. Cook in small batches to keep the pan hot, then lower heat briefly to finish through without charring. I'll guide you on visual cues and timing so each bite is tender inside and satisfyingly crisp outside.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.